How to set up or create a Cloudflare account. If you want to set up or create a Cloudflare account, all you have to do is simply open up your browser and go to cloudflare.com. And once you do so, you will see this type of website. On the top right, you can see login or sign up. If you have an account, you can go to login. But if you don't, like we're trying to do, you just go to the option that says sign up. On the sign up page, you will see different type of plans. There is a free plan that will not cost you anything. There is the pro plan for $20 a month, business for $200 a month, and an enterprise one, but that can be set a custom price after discussion. Now what you want to do is, in this case, I will simply select the free version, but the choice is totally up to you. Click on the Get Started or Add a Website button. It will show you that the Cloudflare dashboard is loading. Now the next step involves choosing an email and password. So you can choose to enter an email address that you wish to use for your Cloudflare account, create a password, verify the captcha, and click the sign up button. Otherwise, you can also directly link with Google or your Apple ID for easier access. So if I select continue with Google over here, it will give me a pop-up where I can select my respective Google account. And then after I've done so, I can just click on the continue button. And then after that, you can see I've been able to set up my Cloudflare account directly by linking it with my Google account. But the choice is totally up to you. You can also link with an independent email and password. That's all for today's video on how you can set up or sign up for Cloudflare. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.